Are you struggling with the PrimeNG dropdown component in your Angular application? If you've encountered the error message that says p-dropdown is not a known element, you're definitely not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this issue together. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when you're following a guide step by step, only to hit a roadblock. This is the common issue many developers face when integrating PrimeNG with Angular, especially if you're new to the framework. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently asked, "Why am I getting the error that says p-dropdown is not a known element?" They followed the installation guide but still ran into issues. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this error? It often happens when the PrimeNG module isn't properly imported into your Angular module. We'll break down the steps to ensure everything is set up correctly. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a quick tip that can save you a lot of time when working with Angular and PrimeNG. To resolve the error with the PrimeNG dropdown component, the user should first ensure that the dropdown module is imported correctly in the Angular module where the component is declared. Next, the user should check if the Forms module is also imported. This is necessary for using ng model with the dropdown. After ensuring both modules are imported, the user should verify that the component is declared in the same module. This is crucial for Angular to recognize the component. Finally, if the user still encounters issues, they can add custom element schema to the module's schemas. This step is optional but can help suppress certain errors. Fun fact, did you know that PrimeNG is used by thousands of developers worldwide? You're in good company as you tackle this issue. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user is to ensure that you add the dropdown module to the import section of your app module or the specific module where your test dropdown component is declared. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests checking your root module file, typically app.module.ts. They recommend importing the necessary PrimeNG modules, including dropdown module, into your ng module imports. Make sure to include all relevant modules in the imports array of your ng module. This ensures that the p-dropdown component is recognized and can be used without errors. Here's a pro tip. Always check the official documentation for the latest updates and changes. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. With these steps, you should be able to resolve the p-dropdown is not a known element error. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips and tricks.